guys. This is Melissa Diamond Nana. My birthday's coming up at the end of October on the 26th, and I don't get birthday gifts. I don't celebrate my birthday on my birthday because my mother unfortunately passed away on my birthday. And I just can't bring myself to celebrate that day anymore. So, I got this package from a good friend, Stephani. I won't mention her last name, because I don't know if she'd want me to or not. But it came in the mail yesterday. And yes, I'm using these ugly scissors, because I don't know where my school scissors that I bought was at. I should have opened this first, but I didn't. Have to take a chance and I'll make a video when I get a chance because of upstairs neighbors. So I just have to jump when I get an opportunity. Says, happy birthday, love Stephani, Carissa, and Jessica. We know you and DawnMarie already celebrated. Yes, we did. And we're going to celebrate again on the 1st. No way. Oh my God. You guys, there's a backstory on this one. I was an affiliate. I don't know if a lot of y'all know or not, but I was an affiliate for TSA. And I had this canvas. But this was way before they went out of business. I had this canvas because y'all know Lizzie Falcon is one of my favorite artists. I don't know why I'm... Look at her. 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 Anyway, I had this canvas. And DawnMarie had it. And she ran out of drills. And at the time, mine was round and hers was round. And they had the 2.5 drills. So Rachel, the owner of TSA, told me, she said, if you will let her have what she needs to finish hers, then I'll go ahead and you can make me a list and I'll resend the rounds for you. Well, they changed to 2.8 rounds. Then I left... long story short, I never got the drills. So, I've been wanting her Sugar High by Lizzie Falcon. She is a 20 by 41, which is a 50.8 by 103.8. Oh my God. Thank y'all so much. I love it. I hate to even open it. Because I know y'all all seen that Diamond Art Club kit. It shows, and I can't get you up enough to, shows the size and the artist. So if you stack your boxes on the end, this thing is heavy. Well, yeah, with it being guys, y'all just don't know how happy I am right now. Because I thought it was gone forever. Because Ever After has this canvas. I mean, has licensed this artist, but she can't have this canvas because of she's licensed to DAC. Sorry about that, guys. I had a phone call. And I got a DAC toolkit. I think this is probably the second big tray I've got. Oh my gracious. It's got the, that looks like the clear putty. A thing of wax. A 7-placer. And a boat with a spout. And a lid. And then you get your pen with a 4-placer and the clear wax in the adjustable pen. I love those pens. Love them, love them, love them. Then a bag of baggies. And that's what you get in your toolkit. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my gracious. It's got dust cover. And guys, I normally don't have a lot of support for this company, but this artist have all the respect in the world. And look at those colors. Which I absolutely am not going to take out. She has 61 colors. She has 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs and 2 fairy dust. I think is what DAC sells. It has the perforated covers. I've never did a diamond painting with the perforated colors on them. Covers, not colors. But thank you, girls. I appreciate it so much. This means a lot to me. This is the thank you for your purchase. Diamond Archive. Then I got a silver Sugar High Treasure Quest card. And you get your instructions here. Tips and tricks, kit contents. And your stickers. This has 61 colors, 2 fairy dust, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. And let's see. I was really surprised that they don't come with tweezers anymore. I thought they come with tweezers. But I asked the ladies that sent it to me, and they're like, no, they don't come with tweezers anymore. But there she is. Isn't she gorgeous? I just love her. Love her so much. Thank you, ladies. You just don't know this means more to me. Jessica, Carissa, and Stephani. This means more to me than y'all can ever imagine. And if y'all don't see me much in October, I'll be in the groups and things, but because I'll be helping Jessica co-host the event. But just know I'm behind the scenes. If you need me, you can reach out to me. October is just a hard month for me. But I also wanted to show you as they said in the note, DawnMarie and I have done celebrated. We celebrate each other all the time anyway. She gave me this, if I can figure out how to open it. There we go. This tray has a spout. Wow. Does it come out? I know it does. Oh, my bad. It'll get better. And this is from DP with Sparklers T-Mall. I love it. I love it. I love it. DawnMarie bought it for me from T-Mall. And then DawnMarie got me velvet petals from my favorite company, from Victoria's Secret. It's velvet petals. I wish y'all could smell these. This bag just smells scrumptious. Pure Seduction. Cherry Desire. Coconut Passion. And Love Spell. Yeah, I'm sorry, the shadows are terrible here today. But thank you, everybody. DawnMarie, Jessica, Stephani, Carissa. I love you, ladies. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.